Yes, hello, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please like, share, subscribe. Everyone, please press up the notification bell button. And please tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright? Global Watch Media. That is GLOBAL with an I, like an eye looking at you. WATCH with a next eye looking at you. MEDIA, Media. That's me, Global Watch Media. Alright? I ain't corruption. That's my channel. Because I'm here to expose all corruption within every government around the world. But like I said, I have to start at home first. Because I can't start talk about everybody else until I clear up my country first. You see me? So, with that said, please, like I said, everyone, please hit the notification bell. Alright? Alright. First off, I want to talk about that police officer that attacked Popcorn and them friend them when them there ride them bike and have fun. I want to know what is the reason why you just come there and start a disturbance after you come there and you see everybody peaceful and have fun. What was the problem for you to rush Popcorn? Because a time for them things stop going now. A time for bad mind things stop going at Jamaica. And a time for the police them stop envy the youth them and them see the youth them with them things. You see me? And nobody make una work for 2,000 US a year or 3,000 US a year. I walk and I shoot innocent ghetto youth for 3,000 US a year. Because that's what the paycheck probably come up to. Or if that, it probably come up to the most at 10,000 US. I mean, I think we not get that. Because that is over $1 million in Jamaica. 10,000 US is over $1 million in Jamaica. I mean, I think Jamaica pay none of una $1 million a year. I wanna walk and I kill off the innocent youth them in Jamaica. Leave Popcorn alone. Wanna law the youth. First Andrew Sen go England go tell England say Popcorn wanted by Jamaican officials. Them apprehend the youth of England for some things when I make no sense. You see me? Popcorn is a youth who me see carry him things them go Jamaica and help out Jamaica a lot. See? The man have him tractor where they clean up the whole line of Fim Parish. And that is a youth one want takes it pan, brother. On a law the youth alone. And more from us on a two bad mind. A time for them something to stop at Jamaica. When a police boy I get away with too much things. You see me? Too much things you know get away with, brother. Yeah man. Alright. Next on the list, more and big up Andrew Holness. Yeah, because when them do good things, you have to highlight it. Just like when time the bad things are going, you have to highlight it. So me I watch a program and I see him a raise the tuition for the kids them who go to the program what them have at Jamaica, what them call love. So me have to comment in on that. And my response to that is like how you do that for the kids them, right? That open up a lot of possibility for kids at Jamaica. If you can get up and go learn a trade. So that is a good thing for the inner city youth them. And I gotta commend you on that one. Alright? But what about minimum wage? Minimum wage can't be the same way if you are gonna give them kids the 15,000 a week. Minimum wage need to be $60,000 a week at Jamaica, at least 400 US a week. People need a raise more than the 80 or the $90 what them make. People need more than that, or the $100 what them make. People need at least $400 a week. So like you do that for the kids them who are go to the program. the trading program. You need to do that for the people and the working class people them too. And raise them paycheck to $400 a week, US, which is like $60,000 Jamaican dollars. I think people of Jamaica could afford to live comfortable if them would make them type of money that Jamaica. I mean, I see why the citizens of Jamaica now make them type of money in Jamaica. Because Jamaicans is some hard working people, yard and abroad. And a time for to change the infrastructure a yard because it not getting any better. It'll get worse and worse. So I commend you, right, on the program increase for the kids them who can't afford to take the bus or go to school and pay for lunch. So I commend you on that. For that, I applaud you. All right? Now, moving on. I hear you say you are the baby father for idea. So I have some idea I want you to ponder, Mr. Prime Minister. Because Jamaica needs some housing projects, affordable house, so people in the inner city can have somewhere decent to live. All right? We need free health care at Jamaica. Free health care. So the people them can afford to go to the hospital. All right? Prescription and them things are too expensive at Jamaica. And there's no reason for Jamaica to have free health care. We need that at Jamaica. And we need free schooling for the kids them. We have too much bright mind at Jamaica that is not excelling because them cannot afford to pay for it. And a time for them something to stop. A time for them something to stop. All right? We need some park, some center where kids go and play at daytime. I mean, I talk about like 4 or 5-year-old kids. We need some park and center, develop parks for the kids them within the neighborhood them where them can go and hang out and nobody now go trouble them or hurt them. Build up some basketball hoop, some baseball field. Open up Jamaica kids' mind to other things, other possibility. Not just soccer and cricket. Because whole heap of sports people are playing nowadays. We need these things in Jamaica so our nation can excel like everybody else. These are the things we need in Jamaica. All right? And we need a development idea center for inventors in Jamaica. So when them have them brilliant idea, them can bring it there and the Jamaican government can help them if it come to life. The government get a percentage and this man get a company. And Jamaica economy get some money and we get some work in the country. It's going to be job available for the citizens in the country. So we need them thing there in Jamaica, brother. ASAP, we need them thing there. And the next thing you need to get rid of, Mr. Andrew, is the 3-year holding in a remand for prisoners before them get to see a judge or even think about getting released. That is unheard of. Them laws they need to change. Everywhere else in the world where you go, 2 weeks to a month is the longest you take to see a judge. And if you get locked up today, chances are you're going to see a judge today if you get locked up. Anywhere else in the world, a first world country. So all of them things they need to change. We need the infrastructure at the prison them at Jamaica. All of them need to be redone. Remand Center, right? GP, Spanish Town Prison Oval, Twickenham Park, all of them there need to be redone. The infrastructure need to tear down and redone, piece by piece. I'm gonna show a video with you inside of the prison system. I be a hole in the wall. The wall them look dirty, mash up. And that's how the man them a live, and them have to live with bucket, where them have to shit and piss in it, and them a sleep with them thing there, brother. That is not sanitized. Them man they not have a chance if them have 30, 40 years of prison or 20 years. Them not have a chance inhaling all of them fumes there inside of them body every night until in the morning before them can get to empty it. The prisoner them need toilet. Them need face basin. Them need good facility where them cook food. Because even though them a prisoner, them still have rights. Them need place to work out. Them need a law library where the man them can keep busy and learn certain things. Where them not have to get themselves in so much problem over and over and over. These are the things we need to implement in Jamaica. Because when you have the money and the resource can do it, when you stop pocket the money when time, when you get it from IMF, invest it in the country. And another thing, Mr. Prime Minister, we need the police them in Jamaica to start wear camera on them uniform when them going out on the street. Because for far too long, every time them go out on the street, it's a shootout. And the person them always a shoot at them first. And there's no law in Jamaica that protect the citizens of Jamaica. Anything the police say, that's what's gonna go. And time for them something to change. Like me say, everybody have right. And these police been getting away with murder in people pitney for years. Thousands and thousands of youth, unharmed youth, dead, murder by the Jamaica police force. And nothing come out of it. You can't even sue them. And them something that are foolish. Everywhere else in the world you can sue a police force or a government. But not in Jamaica. Brother, them something they need to stop because people are human beings. People have feelings. A time for to stop them corruption that will go on a yard. And if we not stop, if we not open up on the eyes, I'm going to open up the world to it. Straight up me I telling them. Straight up me I telling them I'm going to open up the world to it. And next thing, I want to say thanks to Cathy and Pike for exposing Paula Laloin in her corruption in the Vibes Cartel case. Why she pushed so hard to remain in the DPP office because of this high-profile case. And the thought of you, Cathy and Pike, as part of the DPP office, went to Andrew Holness with your assumptions, because we're going to say assumption, because we know it's a real thing, but you went to Andrew Holness with what you think you're seeing going on within the DPP and the corruption that's going on within the DPP. And the chief person that you go to for a signature, them ignore you and turn them back on you because Paula Laloin and them have the same interests. That's why them turn them back on you. Because all of them want this man to go to prison. They want him to be a poster boy. Just like how them did Ninja Man. And you are so right, Miss Cathy and Pike. You are so right. Paula Lewin need to resign. We need her resignation because she stayed out her mouth. Right? And the interview say there have been many cases, just like Vybz Kartel case, where she has proceeded knowing that she should have thrown out the case because of the corruption within the case, but she still proceeded and charged these people during these cases, knowing that corruption surround all of these cases. And she still proceed and charge these people and lock them up. That means 90% or maybe 98% of her conviction is none and void. So we need Paula Lewin resignation, Mr. Andrew Holness, ASAP. Because if you don't, she single-handedly is going to bring down the whole Jamaican government. Not just labor rights. She is going to expose the whole Jamaican government for the corruption. It take a man like P.J. Patterson, former Prime Minister, to come out and say cartel should be free because this case has happened already. Back in the 80s, I think. Right? I'm going to do you one better than that. I'll go somewhere farther than that. In the United States of America, which this should be a law in a Jamaica because this should stand for all country. There's a law called double jeopardy. It clearly states that no person shall go to court and be tried and convicted twice for the same case, especially murder. This is why the Privy Council didn't let cartel go in England, because them know that the case is none and void. Them know that the case is corrupt. Them know that cartel shouldn't never get locked up, him should have never got to prison. What them do is excuse themselves out of it. Because if corruption is going to be highlighted, the Privy Council do not want to be a part of it. That's Jamaican business. Even though the Privy Council and the DPP are working together, the Privy Council still do not want to associate themselves with this bad verdict that Jamaica is trying to cook up and come up with, because them know in their mind you can't charge a man twice for murder for the same thing. But Jamaica try to do it right now to Vybz Kartel, because them thinks that people not have sense. And them know that most people are here don't know the judicial system. Them don't know the court system. See? So, Mr. Prime Minister, You need, as a general, me know a whole heap of time I beat you bad, talk whole heap of things. But as a general, you have your son them, you need to sit down and think about what me I say right now, brother. And make the right decision. We need to make the right decision and let this man go, because this man alone, the wealth we're going to generate for the economy when this man is free, it's unstoppable. The amount of money Jamaica going to generate, all of the hotel them are going to sell out, flight book out. We now look on the big picture. All of now think about if you sink the man, when this man did I go make Jamaica so rich. So much people are flying down for the man, sure. All them business them were about to take off. I want to cook up the conspiracy, lock up the youth. No one say the youth is innocent. And he's not guilty of the crime I want to charge him for. And now, when you got the Privy Council, them say the case quash because of the evidence want to bring. Them see through all of the corruption. So them quash the case and send it back to Jamaica to see if we're not going to try the man again. We're not going to come with this time. Or if we're not going to let him go because the world will watch. Double jeopardy. Double jeopardy. You cannot charge a man for the same crime twice. So if the case is quashed, Cartel should be a free man. Him already do 12 to 13 years. Mr. Prime Minister, we are easy with you on some big man thing. You know me I say? Me not gonna come here and violate Paula. We just need a resignation because of too much youth. She lock up. Too much youth, innocent youth. And me feel like say, a length she a work for. But me feel like you already know that because the whole wanna know what go on. But me just a state the facts. Me feel like say she a length in her things. Why? She just want to lock up Vice Cartel like that. She very adamant about locking him up. You know, so me have to think say a length she a work for because all of this stem from Leng and Vice Cartel having a fallout. Before them fallout, him never care what Vice Cartel want do. The whole of them would know where they go on. So not like them never know. Them know say Vice Cartel is a general and a whole heap of man respect him, but brother, that's what them cook up and put for the man. A life-changing thing that. I kill them one, kill off the man. And brother, me I tell you, that should not go on. If the case quash, the man supposed to be released. Double jeopardy. When you can't charge the man for the same crime twice. Check a law book. Read the law. Nowhere in the world this man would have been locked up, but in Jamaica. Time for them something to change. Time for them something to change. And the last thing I want to talk about, you see, all I want a police boy, whether Jamaica, will pray upon the foreigner them when them come down. Right? Want to know yourself. I want to know what I do. When I go to work, at daytime, down at Jamaica, and set out for foreigner. And when they pull over the people them and say them are foreigner, when they start extort the people them, when they want money for to let them go. Left turn or right turn. Right turn mean you pay the money, left turn mean you're gone. Them something they need to cut out. Them corruption, bullshit, the people live a blood clot abroad and want to come home. And people afraid to come home of them blood clot yard because when they down at Jamaica extort people. When they see people buy them things and come home and I pull over people and I take them vehicle from them. Bad mind the people them. And them something that go on at Jamaica. And then they want people to go abroad, make money, and come home, come invest in the country. No wonder why you not sell out the whole of the country to private sector. Because when Jamaican citizens come home, the same police them were supposed to protect and serve the people them. Down there, bad mind and extort the people them when them see them. A time for them something to change. We are exposed everything what go on a yard. All of the fuckery. And if we not change, pressure, a time for you to stop going with them something there. Because you not bigger than the system. Not because you don't have a badge. I don't have a license to kill people. That means you're not supposed to go around and extort and intimidate and kill off innocent people. Because when you can, I want to know you're not going to get away with it because the government are going to back on you. There has never been a nigger in a Jamaica, a police, an inspector who have went to prison for murder and them kill so much innocent people. If there is, I don't know about it. Not in my history or lifetime. That must be before me. But not in a Jamaica. A bunch of police can just drive up right there and see you. And say, boy, go up on the wall. Especially late at night, if you sit down on the corner and you have a friend them a reason. And them just drink them white rum and name pork. And them a drive through and soon now. And a man will go down the road. Hey, boy, go up on the wall. The man will run. I know our business that. If you don't want him, you don't go look for him. You know police, right? No. Them want to kill the little innocent man, them will stand up right so when they run. And them not have nothing to do with running. That's how them operate. Pure extortionists. Dirty corruption. From the days of eradication, Scotty, Django, Tapper, the whole of them police, they are murder extortionists. You go up a Constant Spring, you have Little Wicked, and the whole of them boy there. The whole of them are murderer. Huntsby, you got Bobby Reds, and the whole of them boy are Ox, and the whole of them are murderer. In Constant Spring, I miss a bigger food than him friend and Bobby Wicked and the whole of them. Yeah, let me tell you something, man. A time for them something to change. We need an investigational system at Jamaica. We want to go for the youth them. We want to go for them and lock them up. Make them stand trial. Stop murder the youth them. Stop extort the people when the people them fly down in the country. To come build up the country. And invest their money in the country. Police, extortionists, a hit squad. We run Jamaica, how do me attack? Time for them something to change. We need a government in a Jamaica to charge them and charge the government official them when them start dealing with corruption.